Hello dear subscribers. Welcome to our channel. On our channel you will learn how to cook a variety of delicious dishes. If you like the video, click one like and subscribe to the channel. Today we will prepare a wonderful salad with you. To prepare the salad, we will need the following products: cheese, sausage, egg, Bulgarian, green onions, salt, oil. If you also want to prepare such a salad, watch the video to the end. If you cook the products in the order shown in the video, you will definitely get a delicious salad. What country are you watching the video from? I'm very interested. Write in the comments if you like the video. Did you enjoy this cooking video? If you did, please like and subscribe. If you subscribe to my channel, you will see more amazing and delicious dishes that I make. Thank you for your attention.